I just did my first lead rope solo multi-pitch. Did it about 3 times because my friend had an issue. And the great thing about lead rope solo is after you're done, you get to climb the whole thing again. So here I am about to climb the last pitch, which is the crux, for the second time. Let's go. So right now, because I already climbed it and the rope is fixed on top, I'm climbing top rope solo, but before I was climbing lead rope solo, which is such a lovely system. Very nice. So this route will trick you. The start is pretty easy. Here we are. And then suddenly it goes into 6A. And now you might think, 6A? What are you talking about? Don't be baby. But in Freyr, I have had my ass kicked by a 4B before. I was literally unable to climb it. So the grade here seems to be reasonably arbitrary. One thing is for sure, this route is not easy for me, but it is fun, so let's do it. Major flashbacks to Motorhead. This laybacking corner here, major flashbacks. Okay, some cruxy climbing. One issue is that all the good footholds are really worn, so have to with bad footholds. There we go. Crux move number 1. Erledigt. Hope I didn't ruin the lens just now with the overhang. I guess if you're watching this, you already know that is what happened. So here we got kind of a knee bar, and then big letterbox slot for the left foot, which is really nice. This is slick as shit, so maybe we go under there. There we go. So I left some clove hitches on quick draws to make sure the rope doesn't rub on the rock, so we don't get the rope cut, which would be a bad time. And when you're leading this, of course, you're climbing everything perfectly. And now, not so much. But still okay. One thing that's kind of hard is the sun is coming out more and more. It has two consequences. It's very blinding and it burns you eventually. So, let's get a good foothold somewhere here. Maybe this. I'm guessing this is where the owl roosts. So I see some interesting striped feathers here. A lot of guano. And got no choice but just to grab that. Better dirty hands than awkward ride down. So officially the route goes here and then around the corner, but now I figure we try straight up. I might fall. So that's not how it's supposed to be climbed, but we can try. Quick draws here.
Started.
Hey Daniel!
Hey!
My friend Daniel's up top. He's got drinks, which is really great. We've been at it for some time. Slack out before we crux out. Hey Daniel. Ik heb ofwel niet the best footage ever, or I need a new camera. Woo!
Man.
Ja!
Uithoudingsvermogen.
Oh, wonderful.